Welcome to JAMB Mathematics revision class. In this class, we're going to go over questions on number bases. So if you are a JAMB candidate, ensure that you watch this video to the end, okay? Let's start with the first question. In base 10, the number 101101 base 2 is equals to A 15, B 4, C 45, D 32, E 90. We have 101101 base 2. All you have to do is that change this number to base 10. And if you want to change a number from any base to base 10, all you have to do is that just multiply the number by the base. Do you understand? So for this, I'm going to have here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1 times 2 to the power of 5 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. You get it? This will give you 0 and this will give you 0. So let's focus on this. 1 times 2 to the power of 5. 2 raised to the power of 5 is what? 32, right? So I'm going to have 32 plus 2 to the power of 8. That is what? 8. 2 to the power of 3, that is 8. 2 to the power of 2, that is what? 4. Plus 2 to the power of 0 is what? 1. Okay? 32 plus 8 is what? That is 40. 40 plus 4, 44. 44 plus 1, that is 45. So the answer is 45 and the base is what? Is 10. Do you understand? Okay, let's look at the second question. Write the decimal number 39 to base 2. Okay? What you're asked to do here is that change 39 from decimal to base 2. Decimal simply means 39 is in base 10 before. You have to change it to base 2. And to do that, all you have to do is that you have to divide 39 by 2 and keep the remainder. Do you understand? So here you're going to have 39 and then 2. 39 divided by 2, that is 19. Remainder 1, right? Then 19 divided by 2, that is 9. Remainder 1. 9 divided by 2, that is 4, remainder 1. 4 divided by 2, that is what? 2, remainder 0. 2 divided by 2, that is 1, remainder 0. 1 divided by 2, that is 0, remainder 1. Okay? Then you count up. This will be 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, base 2. Do you understand? Let's proceed to the next question. The number 25, when converted from the tens and unit base to the binary base, is one of the following: A 10011, B 1111,011, C 111000, D 11001, E 110011. Okay, now all you have to do is that just change 25 to base 2. Okay, 25 to base 2. Here you are going to have 25. And to do this, you have to divide 25 by 2 and keep the remainder, just like we did for 39. 25 divided by 2, that is 12, remainder 1, okay? 12 divided by 2, that is what? 6, remainder 0. 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, that is 3, remainder 0. 2 here, 1, remainder 1, then 2, 0, remainder 1, okay? So you count up 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Base 2. So the correct option is, let's check if the correct option is there. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay. Now let's look at the next question. Find x if x base 4 squared equals to 100100 base 2. We're asked to find x. X base 4 squared equals to 100100 base 2. Okay, now how do we get the value of x? Well, to get the value of x, all you have to do is that just change this one to base 10. You understand? Don't forget that x base 4 squared will give you this, right? If you want to get the value of x, what do? You take the square root, right? That's it. The first step is that you have to change this binary. You have to change it to base 10. You understand? By multiplying it by the base. So here I'm going to have 1 0 0 1 0 0 base 2. This will be equals to 1 times 2 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 5 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Now listen to me carefully. If you are in an exam hall, JAMB, in JAMB, they are testing your mechanical accuracy, your efficiency, and time management. Do you know? So if you are dealing with this kind of question in exam, it is because I'm explaining. That is why, I'm showing all this solution. If you are in exam hall, you don't need to show all this. Since you know that these are zeros, they will not have effect. Do you understand? So I'm just trying to tell you that so that you will not waste your time on question of this kind. Do you get it? Okay, so now we have 1 times 2 to the power of 5. This will give me 32, right? Plus 0, 0, 4. Because 1 times 2 to the power of 4 is 1 times 2 to the power of 2 will give me 4, right? All this one will give me 0. So this is 4 plus 0 is power. This will give me 0 as well. So 32 plus 4, that is 36. So here will give me 36 base 10, right? So having changed this to base 10, listen to me carefully. That is not the final answer. Do you know? Since you know that x base 4 squared equals to, now this in base 10 is what? 36. So I'm going to have 36, right? Do you know? Now the next step is that you have to take the square root. You get it? So I'm going to have the square root here, the square root. So I'm going to have x base 4 equals to 6 base 10. Now, this is not the final answer. Do you know why? Because x is in base 4, but we have our answer in base 10. The final answer must be in base 4 because we have the value of x in base 4. So I'm going to change this 6 base 10 to base 4. And that comes by dividing this value, which is 6, by 4. So let us proceed. We have 6 here, we have 4. 6 divided by 4, that is what? 1 remainder 2, right? Yes. 1 divided by 4, that is what? 0 remainder 1, okay? So 6 base 10 equals to what? 12 base 4. And that is the final answer. Do you understand? The value of x is 12. Do you understand? And the correct option to that question is option B. Yes, option B is correct, okay? Okay, let us proceed to the next question. If 263 plus 441 equals to 714, what number base has been used? A 12, B 11, C 10, D 9, E 8. Now listen to me carefully. In this question, you are asked the base in which the number 263 and 441 are added together to obtain 714. I don't know the number and I don't know the base. You don't know the base. So let us represent the base as a letter. You understand? So for this, I'm going to have 263 base. Let's use the letter maybe y plus 441 base y equals to 714 base y. Okay. Now let us change this to base 10, this to base 10, and the result also to base 10 by multiplying this number by the base. You understand? So here I'm going to have 2 times y raised to the power of 2 plus 6 times y raised to the power of 1 plus 3 times y raised to the power of 0, right? Okay. This plus 4 times y raised to the power of 2 plus 4 times y raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times y raised to the power of what? 0. This will be equals to 7 times y raised to the power of 2 plus, okay, 7 times y raised to the power of 2 plus 1 times y raised to the power of 1 plus 4 times y raised to the power of 0, okay? So here I'm going to have 2y squared plus 6y plus 3, okay, plus 4y squared plus 4 plus 1, okay, equals to 7y squared plus 1, okay, plus y plus 4, okay. Now, the next step is that you have to collect like terms. So 2y squared plus 4y squared, that is what? 6y squared, right? Plus 6y plus 4y, that is what? Plus 10y. Plus 3 plus 1, that is what? Plus 4. This will equal to 7y squared plus y plus 4, okay? Now, 6y squared minus 7y squared plus 10y minus y plus 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. I'm going to have negative y squared plus, now listen, plus 10y minus y, that is what? Plus 9y, right? Okay? Plus 4 minus 4, that is what? 0. So this will be equal to what? 0. Now, because to make this factorizable easily, I'm going to multiply this quadratic equation by negative sign. So I'm going to have y squared minus 9y equals to what? 0. Now factorize. I'm going to have y minus 9, because y is common to this term and this term. So y minus 9 equals to 0. So the value of y equals to 0, or y minus 9 equals to 0. And if y minus 9 equals to 0, y will be equals to what? Y will be equals to 9. So the correct answer, the correct option to that question is option D. Option D is correct. The value of y is 9. Okay? So that is the solution to that question. Okay? Now let us proceed to the next question. We are asked to convert 241 in base 5 to base 8. Okay? Convert 241 base 5 to base 8. Look at this question. What's the first thing you are going to do? The first step is that you have to change this 241 to base 10. You know the base is now 5. You have to change this from base 5 to base 10. And that comes by multiplying this number by the base. Do you understand? Then when you are done with that, you divide the result by 8. Are you getting it? So let us proceed. For this, 241 base 5 equals to 2 times 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 4 times 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 5 raised to the power of 0, right? So 5 times 5 is what? 25. 25 times 2 is 50. 50 plus 5 times 4 is 20. Then this is 1, okay? 50 plus 20, that is what? 70. 70 plus 1, that is what? 71. So this is 71 base 10. Now, having convert this to base 10, you cannot divide this answer by 8. So I'm going to have, sorry. So let us divide this by 8. 71, then 8. Okay, 71 divided by 8, that is what? 8 remainder 7, right? Okay, 8 divided by 8, that is what? 1 remainder 0. Then another one, 0 remainder 1. So here you're going to have 107 base 8. So therefore, 241 base 5 is 107 base 8. Now let us check the correct option to that question. 107. The correct option is option B, 107 base 8. All other options are false. If you stopped here, you're going to find an answer that is corresponding, that is relating to there, that is relating to this answer there. That is option A, that is 71 base 8. But here, all you did here is that you convert this to base 10. So this 71 base 10 is not the same thing as 71 base 8. So pay attention to that, okay?
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.